Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I am so happy you are joining us today for a very special lesson. I'm Sarah.
And hello from me too. I'm Alex. It's always a pleasure to be here and help you improve your English. How are you feeling today, Sarah?
I'm feeling wonderful, Alex. I've been looking forward to this topic all week. It's something that every English learner needs to know.
I agree. Today, we are talking about a question that can be a bit scary if you aren't prepared. That question is, tell me about yourself.
Exactly. It sounds like a big request, but once you know the steps, it's actually quite fun. People ask this when you start a new job, join a new class, or just meet someone at a party.
That's right. So, Sarah, why don't we show them how it's done? Should we start with the basics?
Let's do it. The first step is always your name. My name is Sarah. I'll spell it for you. S-A-R-A-H. Sarah.
And my name is Alex. A-L-E-X. Alex. It's a very common name, isn't it?
It is. Now, Alex, tell our listeners, where are you from?
I am from Australia. It's a beautiful country with lots of sunshine. What about you, Sarah? Where is your home?
I am from the United Kingdom. Specifically, I grew up in a place called Kent, but now I live in the city.
Oh, interesting. Do you live in a big city or a small town now?
I live in London. It is a very big, very busy city. There are people everywhere and red buses on every street. I love the energy of the city. Do you live in a city too?
No, I'm quite different. I live in a small coastal town in Australia. It is very quiet. I can hear the ocean from my window. It's a very peaceful place to live.
That sounds lovely, Alex. I think I would like to visit a place like that. Now, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's not a very big house, but it has a large garden with many trees. How about you in London?
In London, most people live in apartments. I live in a small apartment on the 4th floor. I don't have a garden, but I have a small balcony where I keep some plants.
That sounds very cozy. Now, Sarah, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
I don't mind at all. I am 24 years old. I feel like it's a great age because I'm finished with school and starting my life. And what about you, Alex?
I am 27 years old. I've been working for a few years now, and I really enjoy this stage of my life.
That's great. Speaking of work, what do you do for a living, Alex? What is your job?
I am a graphic designer. I use my computer to create art, logos, and designs for different companies. It allows me to be creative every single day. What do you do, Sarah?
Well, right now, I am a law student. I spend most of my time at the university. I have to read many, many books and study very hard. It can be difficult, but I find it very interesting.
A law student? That is impressive. You must be very organized.
I try my best. Now, let's talk about family. Alex, do you have a big family?
Not really. I have one older brother. His name is Ben. He is 30 years old, so he is 3 years older than me.
Is Ben also a designer?
No, Ben is a chef. He works in a busy restaurant. He loves to cook, especially Italian food. His pasta is the best I have ever tasted.
Oh, I love Italian food. You are lucky to have a chef in the family. I have 2 younger sisters. Their names are Emma and Lily. Emma is 20 and Lily is only 18.
So you are the oldest sister. Do they live with you in London?
No, they still live with my parents in our hometown. Emma is studying music, and Lily just started university to study history. We talk on the phone every weekend.
That's nice. Family is so important. Now, what about pets? I know many people like to mention their pets when they talk about themselves.
Oh, I love talking about my pet. I have a cat named Misty. She is gray and very fluffy. She is quite old now, so she is very quiet and likes to sleep on my bed all day long. Are you a cat person, Alex?
Well, I actually have a dog. His name is Cooper. He's a golden retriever, and he is very big and very friendly. Cooper loves to run and play in the garden. He has so much energy.
So we have a sleepy cat and an energetic dog. We really are opposites, aren't we?
It seems so, but that's what makes a conversation interesting. Now, Sarah, let's share some of our favorite things. What is your favorite food?
That is a tough choice. I like many things, but if I had to choose one, it would be sushi. I love the fresh taste of fish and rice. What about you?
I think my favorite food is a classic burger with fries. It's simple, but so delicious, especially when I eat it outside in the sun.
Burgers are great too. And what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. I love the color of the sky on a clear day and the color of the ocean. It makes me feel calm. What is your favorite color?
My favorite is yellow. To me, yellow is the color of happiness and sunshine. It always makes me smile.
Yellow is a very bright and cheerful color. Now, Sarah, what do you do when you aren't studying law? Do you have any hobbies?
I do. I love photography. I take my camera with me whenever I go for a walk in London. I like taking pictures of old buildings and the people in the park. It's a great way to relax. What are your hobbies, Alex?
I love hiking. Since I live near the coast and some hills, I go for long walks every Saturday. I also enjoy playing video games on rainy days. It's a fun way to spend time with my friends online.
Hiking and video games, those are very different, but both sound fun. Now, before we finish, is there anything you really dislike?
Oh, definitely. I really dislike waiting in long lines or sitting in heavy traffic. It feels like a waste of time, and I get very impatient.
I understand that. For me, I really dislike spicy food. I know some people love it, but for me, it's just too hot and I can't taste the flavor of the food.
That's fair. Everyone has different tastes. And I also don't like waking up very early in the morning. I prefer to stay up late and sleep in.
Me too. Morning is for sleeping, not for working. Well, we have shared a lot about ourselves today.
We really have. We've covered names, ages, homes, jobs, family, pets, and even our likes and dislikes. If our listeners can do the same, they will have a perfect introduction.
Exactly. Remember, you don't have to say everything at once. Just choose the parts that you feel comfortable with.
That's right. Practice is the key. Try saying these sentences out loud while you're at home or walking.
And don't forget to look at the comments section. We want you to practice right now. Write 1 or 2 sentences about yourself. Tell us your name and your favorite hobby.
We are looking forward to reading your introductions. It's a great way to start a conversation with us and with other learners.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We hope this lesson was helpful for you.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Keep practicing, stay positive, and you will see your English improve every day.
We will be back soon with another video to help you on your journey.
Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.